Okay, what would be the basic difference between CAT Quant and XAT Quant? XAT Quant is going to be tougher conceptually compared to CAT Quant. This year we saw CAT Quant. The questions were not conceptually difficult, but they were very, I would say, cumbersome, right? Boring to say. You have to do a lot of work to get to the answers. But XAT questions could be very conceptual. I mean, you may not get the idea immediately. Numbers, algebra, permutation combinations probability, right? These are things that you can always expect. And when I'm saying this, I'm saying this with a very clear purpose that they could be difficult, complicated, conceptual questions that you would not have prepared for as far as CAT is concerned. Now, the good thing about XAT is you have a lot of time. It's not as if you're in a rush. So to do about 84 questions, you have 170 minutes. Whereas in CAT, to do 68 questions, you just had 120 minutes. So in terms of time, I don't think you're rushed for anything. In fact, DM is one place where you can do questions in less than a minute or probably max of 1.5 minutes per question. So if you're talking about quant, you are never in a rush to finish the problems. The challenge always in XAT will be, do you get the idea to solve the question? So how do you prepare for it? Go back, look at all the challenging questions that you had as far as CAT is concerned, not the conventional arithmetic and all this. The focus must be more on non-arithmetic part, algebra, geometry, and let's say permutation, combination, probability. Those areas, of course, you will find a few arithmetic questions as well. So if I were you, I would say I would go back, look at these topics, pick up the slightly more difficult questions that I couldn't do in my CAT mocks, pick up material specifically for XAT that somebody has prepared for me, either doing the XAT mocks, old XAT papers, right? All these things is good enough for you. If I say that you got 30 days, if you spend 10 days on quant, I think that should be sufficient. And it is like saying 1/3 of the time that you have. And I believe anything between 60 to 100 hours is all that you need to do, over and above what you've already prepared for CAT, right? Which means 100 hours of quant prep is good enough for you to actually feel confident going into the XAT paper.